Welcome back to another video from John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max, and today behind me, as you can probably tell, I'm literally surrounded by Porsches. John Cleese is looking a bit like Porsche Centre Reading today. Here we have a GT3 RS finished in ultraviolet, which is what this video is about. Also just other surrounding cars. We got a 991.2 GTS, very nice, white and red, in for security. 996 head unit and reverse camera. 993 security. 997 also lurking in the workshop back there, in for Apple CarPlay. And just, you know, your run-of-the-mill Panamera Turbo over there for a bit of radio electrical diagnosis and also Apple CarPlay. So gonna talk about this beast behind me, absolute weapon of a car. This is the GT3 RS 991.1. Do see quite a few of these in here for reverse cameras and Apple CarPlay systems. Customers love to use these cars and drive them, and you know, we need that usability when we're on the road as well. So why not come and get a reverse camera fitted, because seeing over that big dinner table of a wing is a little bit difficult. If I just show you at the back of the vehicle, our reverse camera is quite discreet. Well, we seem to think so anyway, and the customers that keep coming in and having these fitted, reverse camera sits just at the back here. It's just this little camera here. This reverse camera is quite a common camera we fit on to many cars. Just had a brand new GT3 RS 992.2 in recently that also had the same job done. In terms of reverse camera, obviously had CarPlay as standard. So let's not keep you waiting. Let's hop in the car and I'll show you how it works. Absolute beautiful interior, beautiful. This ultraviolet color on the yellow accents inside, yeah, dream spec here. Would love one of these cars. Maybe one day if I sell enough radio systems. Right, let's fire up the car. So Apple CarPlay. This is the factory PCM 3.1 head unit. So this is the standard head unit that comes in these cars, and generally a lot of the Porsches of this kind of year. So when you get into the car, it will pretty much kick into the screen, which brings up your Apple CarPlay home screen. If I click into Apple CarPlay, it's probably going to try connecting my phone, which is in my pocket, just to double check. And here we have Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay works wirelessly. As you can see, my phone is here. All connects to the factory screen, and you can use the factory controls to rotate around it, use it. You can also use the touchscreen. The touchscreen on these cars, they're not the most responsive touchscreens in the world, obviously, because of the age of them, but it's quite easy to just punch an icon, select what you want, call this person, call that person. Very nice and easy to do. All your phone calls, your music and everything is going to run through this Apple CarPlay system. Even if you like listening to radio, we recommend to use apps like Radio Player, and then that will allow you to select your favorite stations and play those while out in the car. And this kit actually runs through the factory fiber optic system of the car, so it's got the best, cleanest connection to the head unit in terms of audio quality from our Apple CarPlay interface. If you haven't seen Apple CarPlay before, or Android Auto, which this also supports, why would you want it? I mean, it just, if you haven't really recognized already, you get much more updated maps that you can use, like Apple Maps, Waze, Google Maps, a much more intuitive way of using your phone for sending messages, driving, and yeah, it's generally what everyone wants in their car. You know, your WhatsApps, you can just talk to the system while you're driving, send WhatsApps back and forth without having the need to actually call people. Apple CarPlay is a beautiful thing. It's almost something that pretty much guaranteed someone rings us up and books in every single day here for it. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We got solutions for all kind of vehicles, so get in contact. Apple CarPlay, I'm not going to go too far into it. This is pretty much how it works. The way that it works from the factory system is the factory system still functions. You still have all normal features. You actually select it by going to the TV tuner source on this system. That's how you select Apple CarPlay. It doesn't hijack another button or something like that and hold it. You just go onto the TV tuner source. If I just go back to the factory system, this is just a normal factory system. And if I want to go to the Apple CarPlay side of things, then all I've got to do is go to my source, select TV tuner, and then that'll kick into our Apple CarPlay upgrade, or Android Auto if you're an Android Auto user. If I put it into reverse, it's going to be pretty straightforward on using a reverse camera. Simply pop it in reverse, the image will flick over, and here we have our Apple CarPlay coming up on the factory screen. You also get moving guidelines, so these lines will move in correspondence to roughly where you are pointing the car to, just to help you guide you into the space and get you where you need to be. So that's just the reverse camera, that side of things, but real nice and easy. Simply pop it into park or drive, it will go back to your Apple CarPlay, pop it into reverse, and we have our reverse camera. and we got a pretty good view on it. You can pretty much see the whole top of that 911 as well. So yeah, wicked view, wicked job. We do quite a lot of these cars, so if you've got a brand new one, any sort of GT3 RS or any sort of Porsche, we're very experienced in this platform here. Do get in contact with us and we can give you a quote on an Apple CarPlay, reverse camera installation, or a security installation. That's pretty much it for this video. Absolutely love this car. Just gonna give you a little walk around it just before we go. It's not every day you have an ultraviolet GT3 RS in, so let's just give it a little bit of love. And here she is. Absolute beautiful colour. I'd love to have one of these. And there she is. Apple CarPlay, reverse camera, Android Auto if you're an Android user. We're Apple mainly here, to be honest with you, but on that bombshell, it's time to end this video. Here's a GT3 RS, and this is our solution for Apple CarPlay and reverse camera. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.